Hey everyone, it's Connie from Thoughts to Treasures. Today we are going to be using these wood pieces and to make a very cute Halloween shelf sitting set. So we got our little decals that we're going to be using that I cut from my Cricut. Good old Frankenstein, pumpkin, and a ghost. We're going to be using our Waverly Orange, or pumpkin, sorry, and our Waverly Snow White. And I'm not sure what this green is. I think it's grass green if I'm not mistaken. Sorry guys, don't know. So we're going to start out with our white. And we're just going to paint the blocks. This is not rocket science, just get a good coating on each one. Now this wood that I am using is, just the cheap lumber from Lowe's. We just cut it down into pieces the size that we wanted, and I believe they're like a 3.5 by 3.5. And we're just going to give each block a coating of each color. So now we're going to do our pumpkin. And again, depending on how thick you want the paint, I gave each coat or each block 2 coats. And we will keep it at that. And there we go, there's the color of the paint, if you guys could read that. So I thought it would be a good Frankenstein color. May not be the perfect form, but I think it worked out well in the end. Again, we just gave it the 2 coats. And there we have our 3. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to apply the decals to these blocks. I'm just using some scrap transfer tape that I had laying around, not used. You can use some used transfer tape if you have some. This was just pieces that I had pulled off and set aside. So we're just going to remove our backer. We're going to apply, and when I apply, I usually lay my tape down and put my decal, onto it and then pull it off. So that's how it's going to look. And we're going to just take that and put it on our block. Get it centered nicely. I never use the little squeegee things. I just use my finger, rub them on. I don't ever find a problem with them sticking. I'm good with that. It all depends on your preference too. If you prefer to use those little scratchy things, then please, and that's the correct terminology, scratchy things. And we're just going to apply all 3 of them. This is just a simple, quick, cute project. Great for Halloween. It's a great decor piece for the Halloween season. Tier trays or just sitting on your shelf. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any other questions or you want to see more product, come join my page.